Hello, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our new updated UTW model that displays today's date. So now our customers are able to display not only the time of day and the up or down timers, but also the date that they set for themselves. It's a new addition to our DC-XXUTW-KEY model. In other words, it's a new addendum to our previous UTW model. So it's going to be perfect for displaying the set date while also utilizing our timer and time of day functions. So I'm going to have Silas take over here, and he's going to showcase how to utilize both the controllers for how to set the date first off, and to set the up timer and down timer, and how to set the time of day. And then afterwards I'll take over and showcase the hardware aspect of this model.
So as he said, you're able to set the date for the purposes of a daylight savings adjustment. When you set the date, you press the set date button, and then you type in the date as month, day, year, and you'll see it on here. So let's type in March 9th, 2025. Then we'll click set date to set it into memory. And we can use the set value and enter button to set the time. So we'll set it to 1:59, and you can set it down to the second by pressing the button or by typing in a 6-digit code. So let's set that to 55 seconds. And you can see that it added an hour for daylight savings. With this controller, you can still use the legacy up timers and the down timer using the same set button as you use for time of day. Set that for 1 second. You can also use the WRC8T remote controller. This has less functionality than the keypad. For instance, you cannot set the date, but you can still set your hours and set your minutes and 0 your seconds to start the minute. And you can still have access to your up and down timer. That's the timer from earlier. And you can set it to last value. And 0.
Okay, so quickly going over the hardware aspect for this model in particular. It's a DC-UTW, so as you can see, it's a tough aluminum black powder coating. For our display size for the DC-40, for instance, it's 200 feet of viewing distance, but for the DC-25 it's 120 for viewing distance. The number of digits that this unit has is 4 digits. That displays the time of day in a 12 to 24 hour format. It can count up or down to and from 99 hours and 59 minutes, and now it shows the dates in numerical order. As you can see, our keypad takes a 5-volt charger, while the enclosure itself takes 12 volts, so be careful and don't mix and match between those two. And lastly, for accessories, we have our new updated DC-UTW-KEY-B. This is our new model for our keypad controllers, and it has a set date. And lastly, we have our WRC8T that Silas has showcased. It's a wireless handheld remote controller that is operable at 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors. So again, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital, showcasing our new updated UTW model that displays the date, time of day, and the countdown and up timer functions. Thanks for watching.